So guys, in this video I will show you how to add vignette effect in OpenShot. It's really simple. If your interface do not look like mine, go to View, Views, then the Advanced View. Let's bring our sample video to the timeline. Then go to Title, again the title. From here, select the solid color, then the background color, change the alpha channel to 0. Press on OK, give it a name like transparent layer because the alpha channel is 0. Save. Bring the transparent layer over the main video. Now go to right side. From here, select the bars. Left click, drag and drop over the clip. This will add extra border around our video. Now click on the small icon. Go to Properties section. Increase the left size for left border. Now the right size for right border. Now we just need to add the blur effect. Click on the second icon. Increase the horizontal blur and vertical blur. See, we have our vignette effect. And to control the transparency of the black color, select the transparent layer, change the alpha value like you want, suppose 0.95. See, now it's more transparent. Also you can change the vignette effect color. For that, click on the first icon, color bar, suppose white, then press on OK. See, it's really that simple. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.